Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my channel. Yaje here, and as always I am excited to share with you another gardening video. I'm coming to you today from my garage because I want to show you how I set up my seed starting station. Gardening season has officially been launched for me, and I'm so excited because I have a couple of seeds already going. Here I have the garden eggs, and I have peppers, and I also have my favorite vegetable. Can you guess? If you've been on this channel before, you know my obsession with growing the ugu or the okong obong. So I have that already growing here, and I'm going to start a whole lot more seeds this week. This is like the third week in January, and it is perfect timing to get started with some seeds so that they are ready for March. My garden is in zone 9A, yeah, in zone 9A, and by the 15th of March we're kind of officially done with severe cold weather, and so we can take a lot of our plants outside. So when you can get started with some of the seeds indoors, so that by the time it is March the 15th and it is warm enough, you already have some plants that are like this big to take outside, you get a head start on the growing season. So I decided to start with some of my ugu seeds, peppers, and garden eggs like early this year, to buy some of that time. I hope that by watching this video you're going to pick up one or two things that might help you get started with your own garden as well. What I do on this channel is try and teach about what I have learned trying to cultivate these culturally meaningful African veggies out here in the diaspora, because I've been doing that for many years and I've learned a thing or two, which I am super passionate about passing that information to many others. And my whole mission is that I get as many of us as possible growing these vegetables in our backyards, even when we are not back in the motherland, because it is entirely possible. So if you're new to the channel and this information is something that you find valuable, subscribe to encourage my mission and to join the tribe. If this video adds value to you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you. Guys, this space is going to be my grow room. I'm about to kick off the gardening season for 2023 with seed starting. But first I need to organize this space and create some space for setting up my seed starting supply on that shelf that you see right there. So let's get to work. I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, this is the Aldi Garden Line Grow Light. It came in this box right here, so I just took this one out. Then it has a base, so you can use the base or you can choose not to use the base. Like, you clip this to the base if you want, and then it sits like this, or you can just clip this on the shelf, which is what I'm going to do. Clip this directly on the shelf. First, let me remove and I'm choosing to put it upside down on that shelf because it has this long adjustable arms. See, I'm gonna plug this one right here. Okay, we're good to go. All right guys, I think I am done with my setup. This is what we have. So I did put the aluminum foil on the top shelf so it can keep the light in. Okay, these are my Garden Line grow lights on the blue setting. And then here I have a layer of first aluminum foil and then cardboard. And then here is a heat mat. Garden and Hawk. What is this? Anyway, it's a heat mat I got from Amazon. And then I have a seed tray here. And in here I have my ugu or obong seeds sitting on that heat mat, and the cardboard to keep the heat in, like insulation. Okay, and then this other shelf I have this whole system, seed starting system. I'm going to start some seeds in here, and down here some of my supplies. And this is in my garage. It's in my garage. So yeah, we're gonna start a bunch of seeds. I'll keep you posted. I hope you saw something here that you can apply to your own garden as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up. Bye bye.